Audiopipe has been one of the most reliable brands of amplifiers that we've tested on our channel. Their APCLE-1800D is an impressive option for your system, offering a ton of power under $300 with a rating of 1800 watts RMS at 1 ohm. Let's go over the APCLE features and stay tuned in a few minutes for our power testing to see if it will hit that 2000 watts RMS mark. Inside the box is an instruction manual, remote bass control, 120 amp fuse inside a fuse holder, and monoblock amplifier. Audiopipe's full power ratings for the APCLE-1800D include 750 watts RMS at 4 ohms, 1150 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 1800 watts RMS at 1 ohm. Audiopipe does not provide an output specification on their power output. These amplifiers are capable of up to 16 volt input, and we presume their output specifications are based on a 16 volt input. The Audiopipe APCLE-1800D is designed for single channel operation, but it is also strappable with another 1800D to create a monster subwoofer amplifier system. One amplifier will be the primary and one amplifier will be the secondary. To do this, you will link both amplifiers together with an RCA cable into their bridge RCA ports. Connect your head unit or source to the master amplifier. Dimensions on the 1800D include 2 1/8 inches in height, 7 inches in width, and 17 inches in length. The APCLE-1800D features one pair of RCA inputs for signal source and a pair of bridge RCA ports, gain control, low pass filter, subsonic filter, and bass boost with frequency. Connect the remote bass control to its input to control levels up front. The included fuse and fuse holder are meant to be mounted at the battery. This beastly amplifier makes the minimum requirement of 0 gauge power and ground wire a necessity. Fortunately, Audiopipe provided oversized terminals for low gauge wire. Now, let's test it out for ourselves and see what we get. The first test we ran was at 4 ohms, 40 hertz, 13.9 volts. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 620 watts RMS of continuous power, 0.9% distortion, and 49.4 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 551 watts RMS of continuous power, and we drew 50 amps of current. Next, we went to 2 ohms, 40 hertz, 13.2 volts. Our HP picked up 968 watts RMS of continuous power, 0.8% distortion, and 43.6 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 889 watts RMS of continuous power. We drew 86 amps of current, while maintaining 13.2 volts. Next, we went to 1 ohm, 40 hertz, 12.7 volts. Our HP picked up about 1325 watts RMS of continuous power, 0.9% distortion, and 36.1 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 1274 watts RMS of continuous power, and we drew 145.8 amps of current, while maintaining 12.7 volts. Our final test was a 40 hertz ramp test at 1 ohm. We managed to hit 1376 watts RMS. So we didn't hit Audiopipe's spec of 1800 watts RMS of continuous power at 1 ohm, but we also weren't testing at 16 volts like Audiopipe was. Our voltage represents the average vehicle, and with close to 1400 watts RMS of continuous power at 1 ohm for under $300, the APCLE-1800D is a very solid option for your system. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, join the conversation, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.